Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to look at how to calculate the mean girth of that shape that we are given there. As you can see, we have a rectangle that is incorporated with a circular part. So when we are finding the mean girth, this is the perimeter of the walls along the center line. As you can see, we have the center line here along this plan. So that is our center line. So we are going to find the perimeter of the wall along this center line. So in this case, we are going to use the external dimensions which we are given, that is from wall to wall. So we start by finding the length and the width of that wall, the length and the width. So the length, have you seen, it's 10,500, and then we have the width, which is 7,200. So we add the two and then we multiply by 2 for us to be able to find the perimeter now. So our perimeter is that 5,400. Now when we are finding the mean girth, now we are using external dimensions. That will be now the perimeter minus 4 the thickness of the wall. And in our case, the thickness of the wall, we are given the thickness to be 200. We have the thickness to be 200. So it is 4 minus 40, 200. So let's see. So the thickness, it is the thickness of the wall. We have now the perimeter, which is that 5,400, and then we subtract 4,200, which gives us 4,600. Now that is the part that is rectangular. Let's look at the circular part. We have the radius. We are given the radius to be 1800 meters. So our diameter will be twice the radius, that is 600. Now this diameter, it is external. So we have to find the diameter. We said the diameter is 600. So let's find the circumference, which is half pi d. But now the diameter is external. So let's find the dimension of the diameter along the center line. So it's going to be half, that 6 minus half the thickness, so that it is that 6 minus half 200. So when we are talking of that 6 minus half 200, it means now we are able to get to this center line. So if we are having that 600 as our diameter, then from the center line of the circular part, our diameter, when we are talking of that 6 minus half 40, we are able to get to this line here. So that will give us that 500. That will give us that 500. Now from this diameter, we are able to find the circumference, that is half 22/7 times that 500, which gives us 5,500. Now the 5,500, we are going to add it to the perimeter of that rectangular part that we had found, that 4,600. So we had it here, we find 4,100. Now that is now the mean girth of the entire plan, including the circular part. But from our plan, it means now that is the mean girth of this part here, going round up to this area like that. But we've covered even this portion, which we don't need. So we have to subtract this portion for us to be able to get now the perimeter. Let's say we start here, we go round, we go up, we cover the circular part up to this point without including this portion. So we are going to less this portion, and what you know from here up to here is that 600. That is the external diameter, but we don't need this part, and we don't need this part, this wall. So we are going to less the thickness of this wall and the thickness of this wall, so that we are able to find the dimension from this part up to this part. So we are going to less that 600, we subtract the 400, which gives us 3200. Now our total was 10400. Now we less the 3200, and then we get the 36900. Now that is the mean gut. So the mean gut of that plan now is 36900. So kindly, at the end of the video, watch, subscribe, like, and then see you next time when we are going to have more and more calculations. Thank you for your time.